I think this feels like a family reunion for me. Usha has been a strategic partner for us since the time we started, and they've continued to bring in great products.
I love how the products look, I love how they feel, I love how they function. And what I love the most about is that while they're so compact, there's so much functionality that comes out of it. It was absolutely fantastic that it's available exclusively at Reliance Digital.
It is great to be here at the launch. So we are delighted on this partnership with Reliance, and we see these many more coming in near future.